everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This week we're doing something pretty fun. So I didn't think back when I made my movie collection video that you guys would be really interested. So I decided to do another collection video. I'm gonna do my sweater collection 2019. And the cool thing about these is most of them are thrifted as well, which I know you guys love my thrifting videos. So I'm really excited to share with you guys all of my sweaters that I have this year. Maybe we'll make it an annual thing, and next year I can show you the new sweaters I've thrifted and things like that. But before I get into this stack of sweaters next to me, I wanted to let you guys know that I am finally going to be giving away these golden books that I talked about in a few videos ago. So I'm going to be giving away Alice in Wonderland, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, and Pinocchio. And I'm also going to be giving away this little Minnie Mouse vintage Christmas pin, or not pin, ornament, which I just got this weekend for you guys. So that is probably going to be on my Instagram either Sunday or Monday. So please, if you are not following it already, please check it out at Little Miss Marissa. And I will be posting all the rules and everything over there. So yes, to celebrate the start of Vlogmas, these little babies are gonna be going home to one of you guys. So go check that out. And I will remind you again, probably on the first Vlogmas video as well. Let's get into it. So the first one I'm going to show you guys is actually a sweatshirt, and I got it a couple of weeks ago for $3 at Goodwill. I could not believe it. I was so happy because it's just super cute. Is this sweatshirt, and on the front it says Atlanta Fire Rescue. I just pulled it out of the dryer, which is why it's a little bit wrinkly. And then on the back it says Atlanta Fire Rescue, honor, integrity, bravery, service. It says the High Rise Factory, Buckhead, established 1859. I think it's so cute. It's very oversized. It's an extra large, so it's very oversized, but I really like that when I'm wearing them, and it's just very cozy. And my grandpa was a firefighter, and it's just cool because I'm living in Atlanta now, so I just really like it. So next is this sweater, which I have worn in quite a few videos, and I got this a couple months ago at Goodwill as well. It's a Forever 21 sweater. I believe I paid like $3 or $6, somewhere in that range for it, and it's really cute. It's got these, excuse you, it's got these white stars and these rips in it. They are kind of an awkward location, these rips, but as long as I wear a tank top, I think it's fine. And it's so cute, and it reminds me so much of Barbie, and I just really love it. So the next sweater I have is this sweater from Epcot, which I bought at Epcot a while ago. I don't remember why. I think I was cold one day when I was at the parks, so I found this sweater, and it's just really cute. It says Walt Disney World Epcot Center, and it's in this really cool like rainbow color. And this one is a little bit oversized as well, but it is so cute, and I really just think it's super cozy, but it's also like really colorful, and I just love me my Epcot sweater. I'm a sucker for Disney sweaters, guys. Okay, next I have another thrifted sweater that I got from Forever 21, and it looks like this. You've probably also seen me wear this in a few videos as well. It's just really simple brown and like a cream color stripe, and I really like this one because it's super simple, but it looks really good with a gold necklace, some jeans, some Converse. So I wear this sweater a lot. It's probably the first one I pull down when I'm getting a sweater out. So I really enjoyed this one as well, and I believe I paid probably like $3 or $6 for it at Goodwill as well. Just depends like if they're like, you know, the color is 50% off, so it's somewhere in that range. Okay, this is probably my most favorite thrift find maybe of all time, but I got this sweater. It's a Disneyland Resort sweater. It has all the characters like hanging out in the park. I got it for $6 at Goodwill. And if you've been to Disney and you've looked at the price of sweaters, you know that these go for like $60. But not me, baby. I found this one at Goodwill. and it's, oh my gosh guys, it's so cute. It's definitely pretty oversized on me, but I do not care because it's just so cute. Like, look at all the characters eating their popcorn, eating their cotton candy. I'm just obsessed with it, and I still can't believe to this day when I wear it that I found it at Goodwill. So I'm a big fan, y'all. I got this red Mickey sweater also at Goodwill. Very simple, but it comes out very cute, and it's pretty faded, so it looks pretty vintagey. It says it's from the Disney store, but again, I got it from Goodwill. Probably paid $6 for it. Super cute, love it. I believe it is a little oversized as well. And I just like the simplicity of it because it's super easy to style and profile, you know. Next, I have this sweater. It's got bunnies on it. And I got this sweater from American Eagle, or not, I didn't get it from American Eagle. It's from American Eagle, but I got it from Goodwill. Again, I think I paid $3 for it. It's really cute. It's just bunnies. Are they skiing? Yeah, it's bunnies skiing. And it has like that material that gets like those bumps, if you can see that. So that kind of sucks, but honestly, I still think that it's super cute even with the bumps. You can barely tell, and it's super cozy and warm. So I really like this, and it looks good with my gray coat, so I like wearing it underneath. And it's just a nice little cozy sweater. I got this from the store at the mall. It starts with a W, like, I don't remember what it's called, like Wet and Wild or something. I know that's not the right word. I don't remember. Some store at the mall, but it's this Marvel sweater. It says Marvel 39, and I actually got it, I think, for like $2 because it has a little stain on it, which actually I cannot even see. So oh, here it is. It has this little stain on it, which you can barely even see. So I literally snagged it for $2 because of the tiny little stain. And it's perfect, especially for the Marvel movies that come out when it's cold, because I love to wear it to the theater. And it's just super adorable, don't you think? Okay, this is also one of my favorite Goodwill finds. I found this my senior year of high school when I had just discovered that I would be attending the University of Central Florida, and I found this jacket at Goodwill, I believe for $6 as well, and it's a JanSport, like one of those official like college ones, and it's so cute. I think I literally wore it out so much that there's probably a ton of stains on it by now. And it was my favorite in Florida because it's just the perfect thickness, that it's not too hot when it's hot, but it's not too warm, but it's warm enough when it's cold, if that makes sense. So I love this one. It's super simple. Whenever I wear it and I tell people I got it from Goodwill, they're like shook because it's like an actual like college sweater. So I love it, and I still cannot believe that I found it at Goodwill. Whee! Take your emergency, y'all. It's flu season. Next up we have this sweater. It's just knitted in the front, and then it has like shorter sleeves on the side. And this is from Old Navy, but I got it from Goodwill again. It's an extra large, so this is so big on me. However, I really love it because it's so cozy. I don't wear it out of the house too much, but I like it for in the house or if I'm making like s'mores or things like that. I think it looks cute. And also if it's not like really cold, because obviously the sleeves are a little bit shorter, so it's not going to keep my arms super warm. But I think it's really cute with leggings. I wore it a lot last year. I think it was in my Thanksgiving lookbook video actually last year. And it's really cute to wear with leggings. It's very comfy and cozy, so I really am a big fan. And I think I got it for $3 as well at Goodwill. Okay, next up, this sweater has been worn so many times that it literally is so faded and I don't even care. I got this, I think, from the Disney store. No, actually I think I got this from Hot Topic. But it's this sweater, and it's covered in 101 Dalmatians. and it's so cute, guys. It fits me perfect, and it's just like the most perfect sweater ever. And I don't even care that it's faded. I'm gonna wear it for 10 more years because it's just so comfy and it's so cute, and it really, really does look good when it's on. See how cute, guys? And it really looks good with a pair of jeans, so I'm a big fan of this one as well. Okay, so this one Blake actually bought at H&M, and it was passed down to me because he didn't like it anymore, and I personally just love it. So it's this gray sweater, and it says "Own It" with a Mickey head on it, and it's so cute, and it's super big on me because it was my husband's and he's 6'4", so it's super big on me. But I literally think with like a pair of black pants, it is so cute. I just have been wearing it a ton this season. I'm honestly surprised that it's on the hanger right now because I just pulled a lot of these out of the wash, and that one I wear the most, so I'm surprised that it was not in the washing machine. Why does my dog look dead right now? Okay, next. So I wore this in my Nancy Wheeler hair tutorial video, and this is a pink rose sweater, which I also got from Goodwill for $3. So it looks like this. It's very simple, which I thought was good for Nancy. It has this little design in the front. It's all knitted, if you can see that. And then on the back, it has a row of buttons. These actually are just fake buttons. They don't actually close anything. But it's really cute. It was only $3, like I said. And it's a good piece for the winter because it's really, I think the color is really nice in the winter. And also it looks really good with a gold necklace, just like I said with the other one. So I like this one as well. Okay, so last year when my stepmom and myself went shopping for after Christmas sales, we saw this sweater, and my stepmom actually found it first. She was kind enough to let me have it, and it is this sweater. It's one of those like crop sweaters, so I generally wear it with a tank top or leggings that come up to my belly button. But it says Snow White with an apple, Rapunzel with a brush, Cinderella with a shoe, Belle with a rose, Jasmine with a lamp, and Ariel with a shell. And it's super simple, but it's really cute. And I also love this sweater. And we had a deal that we would share it. So, Jaja, if you want to wear it sometime soon, let me know. Ooh, another really good Goodwill find. This sweater. So, as a child, I just was in love with Bethany Moda. Not in love with her, but I did love her, and I loved her videos. And I used to watch them all the time. And when the collection came out in Abercrombie, Aeropostale, I was still super broke. So, because I was in high school, so I could not afford much of it. My BFF, Madison, she bought me a little bow, and I was so happy with that for Christmas. But then everything changed when I went into Goodwill, and I found a Bethany Moda sweater for $3. It was on sale, brand new with the tags on it. I was so excited when I found it, and then I saw the Bethany Moda tag. I was like, oh my gosh, I've got a Bethany Moda sweater, and it's really cute. It's a giraffe, and he's wearing like this winter scarf. So it's a really cute Christmas sweater because it's red and it fits the theme perfectly. And Blake made fun of me for wearing it, and then I wore it out a couple weeks ago when we went shopping, and I got like 4 compliments on it. So, hey ladies, wear your giraffe sweaters and be proud. I've also recently been watching Bethany with her new boyfriend Dietrich, and I think that they are so hilarious. I cannot even, every time I watch their videos, I'm like crying laughing. So it makes me feel good that I'm wearing a YouTuber that I think is really awesome and I support. So yeah. Next up, I have this sweater, which Blake actually gave me for Christmas last year. He got it from Target, and I remember it was on sale because I told him that it was there and that I really wanted it. It's actually really big. I don't even know what size it is, but it's really big on me, and I really don't care because it's like this like soft material. It was so soft when I first got it, and now that it's been washed so many times, it's not as soft anymore. But it's very cute. It's pink and it's fuzzy, and it looks great with some gold jewelry, like I said again. And I really love it with jeans and Converse as well because it's so simple but very cute. There's another Forever 21. Oh no, this is not Forever 21. It's Abercrombie and Fitch, which I also got from Goodwill. So it looks like this. It's just burgundy and gold. And again, I wear this all the time. It has like a fake turtleneck, which I like because I don't like a full turtleneck. I think it looks bad on me because I have a very round face. So the full turtleneck just makes my face look even rounder. But this faux turtleneck is perfect, and the colors are really nice on me with my hazel eyes, and it looks good with gold jewelry again, and I just love it. I wore it last year when we came to Atlanta for the first time, deciding if we were gonna stay, and I'm very happy with it. Yay! Next up is a sweater my Aunt Sally actually got for me when she was thrifting, and it's this Mickey Mouse sweater. Oh shoot! But it's this Mickey Mouse sweater. And it's very cute. It's very like vintage feeling. It says Disney Park, so it must have started in a Disney park before it came into our hands. And I don't know how much she paid for it, but it's super adorable. I think it looks great with some jeans and some Converse. Super cute. It's a little bit too thin now for Georgia, but I might take it down when we go for Christmas to Florida, because it's like a nice thin material, but it's also nice if it's like a slightly cold outside, like in the 70s, you know? So it's a good sweater. So this one is one that my mom thrifted for me, and it's very adorable. So it's this sweater. It's white and it has these red hearts all over it. I'm not a big fan of these up here, so I might just cut those off. One of them actually fell off in the dryer on this side, and I think I like it better without them. But I think it's really cute. Again, super cute with some Converse and some jeans. So I will probably be wearing this a lot this winter. Again, it's also pretty thin, so maybe we'll save it for Florida, but it's super, super cute. The brand is Soho Jeans on that one. Sorry, the sun is changing a little bit, so I apologize if there are some little snippets of light. Okay, 2 more to go, guys. So this one is also a thrifted sweater, and it's a Gap sweater, which is made with extra fine merino wool. It is this blue color. It's so soft since it's made of wool. It does take a little extra care because you can't dry it, so you have to like lay it out to dry, but it's worth it because it's so comfy. And I can't believe that I found a Gap sweater at Goodwill for like $6, so I'm very happy with it. And again, looks great with a pair of jeans, great for the winter. I just love it. Last but not least is my last sweatshirt. So I got this when we went to our first Orlando City soccer game. That's what it looks like on the back. It's really cute. I think I got it off of Amazon. And it's a great sweater because it's my sportier sweater, so it looks great at a soccer game. But it also is really cute for the winter as well, when it's not too cold out, but you want a little bit of coverage. I just love sweatshirts, and this one is a great one as well. Anyway, everyone, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video of my sweater collection. Let me know what else you'd like to see in the comments down below. I have plans to do a Christmas sock collection in December because I love socks. And if you guys see my sock collection, it is so big. So let me know if you enjoy these types of videos and having me kind of talk through some of my collections of things. And if you have any recommendations for video ideas for me, let me know in the comments down below. And I love you guys very much. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. And I will see you on Thursday with a very exciting Christmas vlog. Bye! Oh my gosh, I just realized that this is actually the last video before Vlogmas starts. So happy early Vlogmas, guys. I hope you're excited for 24 days of vlogs from us, the Potts family. Anyway, have a wonderful week, guys. See you on Thursday with the vlog.